Good morning, dear learners. How are you? I hope the answer will be positive. You are leading a happy life by the grace of Almighty God. I am also fine. In this COVID situation, we have to take class on online. We are missing you. I am the presenter of the today's class. I am taking class of class 5 English for today book. Dear learners, you are watching an image. In this image, there are 4 animals. Clark and Moxie took the glass jar outside. The other animals were waiting. The fox said, "Give me the piece of voice." The rat also asked, "Where is my pieces of voice?" But the jar fell to the ground and it broke several pieces. Blaster's voice and jar were now in 100 little pieces. The other animals were trying hard to get their pieces, but they do not achieve it. At last, all the animals went back home and slept. After watching and listening the words, we can declare our topic lesson. The name of the topic is "Why Does the Frog Croak?" Part 3. It is found in Unit 25, Lesson 4. After the ending of the lesson, learners will be able to know the following things, which is very significant for the learners to know. This is the English for Today book, where the learners can get all the things in this book. Dear learners, let's enjoy the class elaborately. Clark and Moxie took the glass jar outside. Clark এবং Moxie সেই জারটাকে বাইরে নিয়ে গেল. The other animals were waiting. অন্যান্য প্রাণীরা তারা অপেক্ষা করছিল. "Oh, give me my pieces," said the fox. Fox বলল, "আমার টুকরোটা দাও আমাকে." "I want my piece," said the rat. ইঁদুর বলল, "আমাকে আমার টুকরো দাও." Suddenly the jar fell to the ground. হঠাৎই করে সেই জারটি মাটিতে পড়ে গেল and it broke, ভেঙে গেল. Blaster's voice and jar were now in 100 little voice. ব্লাস্টারের কণ্ঠস্বর এবং জারটি শত শত টুকরায় পরিণত হলো. "Oh no," cried Moxie. Moxie চিৎকার করলেন, "না." The animals searched. প্রাণীরা খুঁজছে, but they could not find any of the pieces. তারা কোনো টুকরোই খুঁজে পাচ্ছে না. It was too dark and the pieces were too small. এটা খুব অন্ধকার হয়ে গিয়েছিল এবং টুকরোগুলো ছোট হয়ে গিয়েছিল. What are we going to do? asked Clark. Clark জিজ্ঞাসা করলো, আমরা কি করতে যাচ্ছি? We will come back in the morning. আমরা সকালে ফিরে আসবো, মক্সি বলল. And all the animals went home. সকল প্রাণীরাই বাসায় গেল. Without a piece of Blaster's beautiful voice, সেই ব্লাস্টারের সুন্দর কণ্ঠস্বর ছাড়াই, they were all very tired. তারা সবাই ক্লান্ত হয়ে পড়ল. From looking for the voice, সেই কণ্ঠস্বর খোঁজার জন্য, so they went to sleep. তাই তারা ঘুমাতে গেল. After the lesson, you have to learn some unknown word. আউটসাইড, আউটসাইড বলতে আমরা বুঝি বাহির, বিহাইন্ড, আউট অফ, বিসাইড। ক্লার্ক and Moxie took the glass jar outside. ওয়েটিং, ওয়েটিং বলতে বুঝি অপেক্ষা করা। anticipation, expectation, apprehension. The other animals were waiting. Suddenly, হঠাৎ, abruptly, by chance, unexpectedly. Suddenly the jar fell to the ground and it broke. Searched, searched বলতে আমরা বুঝি খোঁজা। researched, sought, investigated. The animals searched but they could not find any of the pitch. Tired, tired বলতে আমরা বুঝি ক্লান্ত, exhausted, fatigued, bloodless. They were all very tired from looking up for the voice. তারা সেই কণ্ঠস্বর খুঁজতে খুঁজতে তারা সকল প্রাণীগুলোই ক্লান্ত হয়ে পড়েছিল। Homework: after doing this lesson you have to do some homework. Complete the sentence. There are some sentences. You have to fill in the gaps choosing from the 4 options. The animals wanted the frog to share. The animals made to make a plan too. The jar broke because Dash got Blaster's voice at the end of the story. That's all, dear learners. This topic is very complicated. Among all other lessons from the EFT book, you have to read the topics again and again. Then you will be realize the meaning of the topics. I hope everyone will read the text thoroughly. You can understand anything easily. Best wishes, best greetings for leading a happy and healthy life. Thank you again. I am your Biplab sir.